If you have money sitting in your savings account, that's a great start. But keeping all your money in savings may not help it grow very much. The good news is that you can turn your savings into investments and give your money a chance to grow over time. But before you start investing, there are a few important things you need to know. Let's go through them step by step. First of all, you will need to build an emergency fund. Before you invest a single dollar, make sure you have an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. You could lose your job, have a medical emergency, or face an unexpected repair bill. An emergency fund helps you handle these situations without selling your investments. A good rule is to save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. For example, if you spend about $3,000 every month on rent, groceries, utilities, and other basic bills, you should keep $9,000 to $18,000 in a safe savings account. A high-yield savings account, also called an HYSA, is a great choice. It usually pays much more interest than a regular savings account while keeping your money safe and easy to access. Step 2. Open an investment account. Once your emergency fund is ready, it's time to open an investment account. In the United States, there are two common choices. The first option is a retirement account, like a 401k or an IRA. If your employer offers a 401k match, take advantage of it. For example, if you earn $50,000 a year and your company matches up to 4%, you can invest $2,000 and your employer will add another $2,000 for free. That's free money, so don't miss it. The second option is a brokerage account. This is a good choice if you're saving for a goal before retirement, such as buying a house, starting a business, or building long-term wealth. Many beginners use trusted platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. Step 3. Invest in index funds or ETFs. Many beginners think they should buy shares of one popular company. But putting all your money into one stock can be risky. Imagine investing $1,000 in just one company. If that company performs badly or goes out of business, you could lose most or all of your money. A smarter choice is to invest in an index fund or an ETF. These funds own shares in hundreds of companies at the same time. One of the most popular choices is an S&P 500 index fund. When you invest $1,000 in an S&P 500 fund, your money is spread across about 500 of the largest companies in America, including Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and many others. If one company struggles, the others help reduce your risk. This is why many long-term investors prefer index funds. Step 4. Invest automatically. One of the easiest ways to grow your money is by investing automatically. Instead of trying to guess the perfect time to invest, set up automatic deposits. For example, you can invest $100 every payday into your favorite index fund. This strategy is simple and removes emotion from investing. It also helps you stay consistent. Remember, inflation makes everything more expensive over time. Money sitting in a regular savings account slowly loses buying power. Historically, the US stock market has returned about 8% to 10% per year over long periods, although returns are never guaranteed. That's why investing regularly can help your money grow faster than inflation over time. Step 5. Be patient. The biggest mistake many new investors make is expecting quick profits. The stock market goes up and down every day. That's completely normal. Successful investors stay focused on the long term. Let's look at a simple example. If you invest $200 every month and earn an average annual return of 8%, After 5 years, you will have invested $12,000, but your account could be worth around $14,700. If you keep investing for 15 years, you will have contributed $36,000, but your investment could grow to about $68,000. This happens because of compound growth, where your money earns returns, and those returns earn even more returns. The longer you stay invested, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. It starts with small, smart decisions. First, build your emergency fund. Then open the right investment account. Choose low-cost index funds or ETFs. Invest automatically every month. And most importantly, stay patient and keep investing for the long term. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need to start. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a better financial future.